Xinxiang Alpha Manufacturing Ltd. is the professional manufacturer and exporter of various science and educational toys, as well as kids' arts and crafts products. Our award-winning products are being distributed all over the world, including US, Australia, Canada, Ukraine, England, and Germany. We are located in the middle of China, Xinxiang City, Henan Province. This city has sufficient labor resources that enable us to meet all customer demands in terms of delivery and production capacity. Alpha has a professional R&D team, which is the very important functional team in our organization. It was established in 2007. Our team come up with abundant amount of creativities ourselves and launch new products every year. In addition, our R&D team helps customers move from ideation to actual products and help them improve original designs to enlarge the sales amount. Alpha is a fully certified company with ICTI, GSV, ISO 9001, WCA, SEDEX, and passed the audits for Walmart, TRU, Michaels, Kmart. We works with the well-known labs very closely, namely MTS, ITS, SGS, and BV. We pre-test all of our raw materials timely to make sure the safety of components. Tremendous amount of investment had been made into testing to ensure product quality. Our design, research capabilities, as well as strict product quality and service truly set us to be unique from our industry. Alpha look forward to servicing all clients around the world.
Let's dream is possible.